This video is about a Teac 355 cassette player that somebody brought to me to look at, and somebody replaced the belts on this, and there's not a lot of videos about this online, so maybe this will help someone. But I also need help actually, because the player is playing a lot faster than it should be. It's playing at about 3,500 hertz when it should be at 3,000. I'll demonstrate that. Turn it on. And the problem is I can't figure out how to adjust the speed. I tried these pots down here. I don't know what those change. Also, I should mention I don't have the service manual because it's not available online, and or at least for free as a PDF as far as I could find. So I also tried adjusting these screws here. Of course, remembering the previous position after trying it, and none of these worked. There's also these smaller screws in these crevices that are adjustable, and I couldn't figure out. Tried those, and none of those seemed to adjust the speed. I'll show you, for example, like here, got my plastic screwdriver. Well, that's not even turning. I don't want to turn it though. So my question is, does anybody know how to adjust the speed on here? It could be that there's a short, and thereby causing no resistance and making the motor run at full speed. Again, I don't have the service manual, so I don't know what to adjust. I also tried a tighter belt and a looser belt for this belt right here, and that didn't, that actually made it faster when I used a looser belt. I didn't try changing this belt though. Maybe I should try that next. But yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if anybody knows what to change.